Thank you for buying this 16088 bird feeder from FixtureDisplays.com. You can find this item on FixtureDisplays.com by searching 16088. In this short video, we're going to show you all the components. You have the front and back panels, two side panels, the base, and roof structure with this hanging wire cable, and a removable lid. I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions. This DIY kit is great for young kids. Some of them, if old enough, would be able to do it by themselves. Some can be better assisted, supervised by a parent. All the parts have pre-drilled holes, so screwing them together is fairly straightforward. You can use any household Phillips screwdriver to do this job. You don't need a power drill. So line up the holes and fasten 4 screws on each side. And likewise, repeat for the other panels. The recommended ages are from 4 ages and up. Even adults can find this interesting little occupation to do well at home. This DIY kit is very easy to execute, and it will only take minutes to see the end results, which will be a really nice bird feeder. Now we line up the holes of the main body to the base and fasten with 4 screws. If you like our video, please consider leave a good seller feedback, and also consider subscribe to our YouTube channel for up-and-coming new products. The roof structure, these 2 pieces fasten to the top edge, so you can hang this feeder on a tree limb or a stake place where you can securely hang this unit. Now we're going to insert the removable lid, and these cross beams just sit inside to prevent that from sliding front to back. We encourage you to browse on FixtureDisplays.com for many other products and services we have. I'm going to give some dimensions. Left to right is right about 8 inches. Front and back is also 8 inches. The height of the wood structure itself is just about 8 inches as well, where the hanging cable extends in the height for about 4 inches. The center hole where the birds can perch and get in is 2.5 inches in diameter. You can certainly finish this feeder with a clear coat or color of your choice. We hope you like this product and this video, so please consider subscribe to our YouTube and consider leave us a good seller feedback along with a good product review. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.